Hi everyone, I am Mika, and I will be presenting our work, Joint Learning of 3D Shape Retrieval and Deformation. Creating and designing new 3D models manually is a tedious and difficult process, even by expert designers. Hence, content creation of 3D models is an important task. However, neural generation techniques still lack the ability to create 3D models that rival the fidelity, level of detail, and overall quality of artist-generated meshes, as shown in these examples. Recent works either propose to directly retrieve a high-quality 3D model from a database and deform it to match a target. However, prior methods largely focus on one of the two complementary problems separately. We argue that both retrieval and deformation should be equal citizens, that is, learned jointly. As previously explored, deformation-aware retrieval learns an embedding that retrieves shapes that fit after deformation. We further introduced retrieval-aware deformation, where the deformation module is optimized to fit retrieved shapes instead of random pairs that is suboptimal. The joint learning of these two modules allows us to optimize network capacity to only learn meaningful deformations. Summarizing, our problem statement is as follows. We propose a novel technique for producing high-quality 3D models for a given target image or scan by retrieving from a database of 3D shapes, then deforming it to fit the target. The key to our approach is joint learning of both retrieval and deformation. Here's an overview of our approach. Given a database of parametric source models, we aim to choose a source and deform it to fit a given target with respect to a fitting metric, chamfer distance in our case. We jointly learn the set of source-dependent deformation functions, ds, and the retrieval latent space r, where it retrieves based on distance measured dr. The key to our joint training scheme is soft retrieval. The given target and source models in the database are embedded into the latent retrieval space R. The distance of each source to the target in this latent space defines the probability of selecting it in our soft retrieval module. Using this probability distribution, we sample a set of sources SC that are used to train both the retrieval and deformation modules, instead of training on random source-target pairs. This makes our deformation module also retrieval aware. We optimize the retrieval and deformation modules in the alternating scheme. In addition to joint training, we propose a novel structure-aware deformation module. Unlike prior neural deformation modules, it can handle heterogeneous data, where each model has a different number of deformation parameters, which is especially important for human-made objects made of different number of parts. The given target is encoded into a target latent code, and for a source shape selected from our source soft retrieval, we take its source latent code and per part latent code, and concatenate these into a global vector. These are then passed through a series of lightweight MLPs to produce per part deformation parameters. These parameters are then concatenated for all parts, projected to satisfy the connectivity constraints, and finally producing the output deformed model. We compare our approach with several baselines such as DAR, which uses deformation-aware retrieval but not retrieval-aware deformation, and uniform sampling, which is the same as our method but without the soft retrieval module. Results qualitatively and quantitatively show that our joint approach outperforms all the baselines. Now we show some qualitative results. Given these input images, here are the retrieved models of the different methods and the corresponding deformed models. Notice that our approach achieves the best results as shown by the thickness of the leg of the chair, the shape of the back, and the shape of the legs of the table. We also show the advantages of our joint training is not specific to our novel deformation function, but also improves other state-of-the-art deformation modules such as neural cages. Observe that the retrieved models of our joint approaches better match the geometry of the input chair and sofa. Moreover, our structure-aware deformation function is able to match local part geometries, such as the thickness of the sofa. As manual fine-grained part annotating is a tedious task, large database of such models are scarce. We show that our approach works on automatically segmented models, such as those found in Complement.me, enabling the use of our method on a wider array of source databases. Finally, we showcase applications of our pipeline, such as fitting to product images of Google search, as well as to real-world scans. Thank you.